Career and technical education programs in Illinois provide instruction for careers in high-wage, high-skill, and in-demand occupations. Career and technical education courses give you the chance to explore your interests, develop marketable skills that can lead to higher-paying jobs, and broaden your career options while earning credit towards your high school diploma. Career and technical education courses combine classroom instruction with hands-on laboratory experiences. The Galesburg Area Vocational Center provides a variety of sophisticated occupational training programs. Competency-based instruction provides hands-on learning experiences for students as they learn by performing actual job skills and are evaluated on the basis of what they can do and how well they can do it. We serve our area high schools: Abingdon, Williamsfield, Galesburg, Knoxville, Rova, Monmouth, United, and West Central.